Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So very warm welcome to RS Softech. Okay. So before starting anything, I just like to know a few things about yourself. Brief me yourself
Mm-hmm.
in 2 minutes.
Basically, I'm a SAP ABAP programmer,
Oh, very good.
and
Yeah.
I've been in the field for 10, 15 years, developing various SAP ABAP programs. And also, I worked in SAP PIPO as well as SAP data migration. But now I'm planning to move to SAP UI5 and Fiori developments. So
Okay.
I have developed few Fiori apps, but I do not know how to connect them, give the authorizations, how it is assigned to users, etc., etc. So I hope to collect some information from you on that.
Great. Very good. But today we are going to discuss purely about Fury administration.
Okay.
Okay. How Fury works, what is Fury, how Fury, when it will get started, what are the benefits of Fury, all these things we are going to cover. And once we start live sessions, there will cover that role part, admin part, web dispatch part, connection types, SSO types, web dispatchers, installation types, embedded or standalone, everything will cover cloud, all we have. We cover many things.
Mhm.
So today we
Mhm.
are going to discuss only few things about Fury. I have gotten one document. I have got one PPT also. I just try to share you my knowledge of Fury to you. According that, you can justify whether you can go ahead or not. Okay,
Mhm.
good. What is Fury? SAP Fury is a user experience. It's a short term is UX. Okay. If you search on internet, the course name is UX only. Fury administration. Certification also, when if you go for Fury administration certification, there also they give UX only name. Okay. Standard name for SAP. For software application, it provides set of applications that are used to regular business functions like work approvals, financial applications, calculation apps, and all. SAP Fiori provides like more than 300 role-based applications. Previously, it was 300. Now it moved to more than 1,000. Okay, role-based applications like for HR, for manufacturing, for finance. Fury apps enable the multiple device applications throughout. Fury means here user use it very seamlessly and it can able to connect with any device like mobile, laptop, desktop, tabs, anything you can easily connect and show your data on a seamless wise. Okay, but it has to have web dispatcher to it. Web dispatcher uh, accept or rejects requests on mobiles also, desktops also is a most successful user experience. Okay, and when it was started, it was introduced in the year 2013 with primarily focus on mobile first display approach. It had limited content on only 25 apps in 2013. But few things, something should be shown on mobile. That is the primary task of SAP Fury. Okay, it had limited content, contained 25 applications only in 2013, were considered a simple use solution that could access across multiple devices. What is the target? They want to develop an app which can be accessed via all the devices. All the devices means like mobile phones, laptop, desktops, tabs and all. Okay. Fury is a design language that provides a consistent user experience across mobiles, desktops. It enables user tiles and icons to represent the commonly used tasks and applications. Like as you said, you develop something. Here we have to uh, put everything in tiles. Fury tiles, Fury applications, Fury tiles is there. So whatever you want. Uh, here we have to create some roles. Here we have to create some roles also, tile based roles. Okay, then those roles have to be given to the users. For that we have to add or activate some of the applications from system itself, ABAP system itself. Now previously we were on EC systems. Now we are in HANA system, as you know. In HANA, everything is embedded in single system only. In ECC, we require two systems, front-end system, back-end system. But here, we have everything in one system. You know that, na? I can add you.
Uh, uh, Previously it's just ECC system, right? So,
Previously, we have ECC system. There we require two systems, front-end system, back-end system for Fury enablement. But now, when we coming with the S4 HANA system 7.5, 7.51 or greater than that, now it is 7.57 is the latest version. In that, we have everything embedded in one system only.
mhm,
Front-end component also and back-end components also. That is the
mhm,
version. SAP Fiori enables multiple device applications allowed to start here. Okay. SAP Fiori experience SAP software application provides set of applications. Yeah, more than 100 is there. Yeah. See, SAP Fiori provide 1,000 plus role applications like HR, like approvals. Okay. Manager
mhm,
approvals, user leave request approvals. In manufacturing, if you see, it will work for PO approvals, PR approvals, and finance means budget approvals and all. मतलब don't want to go to every time login. Just go on see on application and director can approve everything from his device itself. It's a totally role based. When you open Fiori homepage application, you will see the picture flower. You can see whenever you use Fiori open, na, you can see the Fiori. You can see the flowers. It's because of Fiori means flowers in Italian. It's Italian software. It is a Fiori means flowers in Italian. Whenever you open Fiori, you will get two, three flower pictures. If you know, if you had open Fiori anytime. Is that correct? What should I call you? I forgot
Ivor,
your Ivor.
Ivor, yeah.
Ivor. As Ivor, have you ever logged into Fiori? You can see some flowers
Uh,
over there.
no, I did not actually.
Yeah, we'll log in. We'll log in. Fiori provides all business rules in real time on compatible and handy device. It offers business rules on easy to use functions, simple and much response, desktop and smartphone tablets. मतलब it's totally role based. Whatever roles you require, na, you will get that role only. It's totally strictly role based, and mainly it enables on multiple devices, the main applications. Okay, and it requires based on user interface UI5. As you said, you would like to learn UI5 also. It's already built on UI5. When research was conducted, it was found that most of user SAP interface access the applications. These include common applications related to manager employees, integrations such as leave request, travel request. These are more than 3 lakh screens without various functions. SAP checked the most frequently used application, then decided to renovate this is how Fury was born. Because when SAP is seen, like in a company, you have 5,000 employees and HR is implemented. So what mostly people are access in a HR, they access only manager employee interactions, leave request, travel request, because HR related to that only. So what SAP does, instead of login to every time systems, they just want to create few application, few apps by which user can access from mobile instead of using whole system. With that application only, you can able to apply request also and approve request also. Okay. See, this is the URL by which you can see all your Fury app library. If I press Control C over here, see this is the Fury apps library. When it was got started in 2013, it has around 25 applications. Now we have more than 1,000 applications. See, we have all applications. See, whatever you want, you can check here from here. Whatever application you want. Or you can see here, there are some names to research on. If you want to go for SAP application for HANA, SAP application for cloud, SAP Fury apps for S4 HANA. See, I'll see S4 applications for HANA. Good, no problem. And here also we can put some triggers. So what line of business you require? Everything, whatever you want, you can fill it up to well. Depending upon that, it will give a close search to you. Okay, line of business, all applications. If I want to do, if I want to do PO approvals, see purchase order, purchase acquisition, purchase item test, purchase activities, schedule transfer payment list. These all are applications. Okay, so we'll see how to activate these things and what all things are required to do these things. See purchase acquisitions. For example, you check purchase acquisition, and here see you can see purchase acquisition. Here you can see this is latest one. SAP S4HANA 23 FPS support pack 1. And if you want something else, this is the latest one what we have. If you are working on SAP S4 HANA FPS2, it was previous years, is the latest year. Click here. Depending upon that, it will show you the front end application and back end application what all required for activating this in your system. For every application, there is an app ID. You have to remember this app ID right now somewhere. Okay, and database is HANA, because we are using HANA means database is exclusively HANA only. Okay, now you see, we can see implement product features and implemented information. Just go on implemented information. There you can see there are few nodes which you need to implement on your front end server or back end server depending upon your SAP releases. Depending upon your SAP releases, you have to implement these nodes. If you are lie under this, you have to implement this. If you lie under this, you have to implement this. What is different between this and this? This is SAP S4HANA 2022 SP Pack 2. Release information node S4HANA, both are same. We have to in the front end and the back end. Now you see installation. What do we require installation? Whether you have to check on a front end whether you satisfied these requirements or not. You satisfied this requirement one. You just go and check this software component. This software component, if it has to be 800 and support pack 2, service pack 2. Then only you can go ahead with the implementation. Okay, and backend. In backend also you have to check S4 core 107 support pack 2. You don't know how to check these things, I will.
Uh, yeah, previous system.
I'll show you. I'll show you. System status. Just go here. You have to check here. Whatever data. Now go and see here. As for S4 core. Just select S4 core, search for S4 core if it is available. No hit found because this is not S4 system. We'll search something else. This one. This is also not found, which is not a, this is not a S4 HANA system. Just give me a moment. I log into S4 system and show you how did this work. Okay. Shall I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. I will check here whatever you want. Yeah. One is displayed. Okay. Yeah, this is one. 800 002 is there. You see 800 002. As agreed?
Yeah.
800 002. And if you see S4 4 component, S4 core C. S4 core 107 here, 107. And here you see 107, you can see support backlog 002, support backlog 002. Matlab, you can use this system for this UI5 implementation. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm going to jump on to documentation like this and configuration. You will see this is my application name. We'll see all these things, how to activate all these things in live scenarios. I have to
Mhm.
activate all these things in live scenarios. We'll see the technical catalogs. We will create catalogs. We will add tiles over there. From that tiles, we will add groups. We will have types. You are adding spaces. Then we get roles. In that roles, we provide all operation which are required to access the Fury tile. Okay. Then we will assign it to role. Then we assign that role to user by which user can able to access that Fury tile on a single click. These are our catalogs. SAP uh, standard catalogs. We can take SAP customized catalog we can create. These are standard, no issue with that. You can easily use this and you can create a customized catalogs also. And this is the standard business rule. This rule should be assigned to the users and recently have implemented S4HANA system. So no issues for that. We can do it very easily, all these things. Okay. Okay, all these things you can see. So once you activate all these things according to this thing, then user can able to access purchase requisition via simple tile. Okay, this here. And what all this SAP Fury has got some design principles. There are 5 design principles. These are principles make simple and decompose the different transactions simple based. Role based. What is role based? I have discussed this 3 times already. What is role based? SAP has decomposed various app transactions and changed it to beautiful user interface application to show most relevant information to the users. But whatever you think, whatever role you want, that role only you can able to access. No extra T code, no extra activity. It is totally it is totally purely based on the roles only. Responsiveness. When Fury is combined with the power of S4 HANA, it provides unmatched application response because it is very simple client with no excessive data in it. It will take those things which it requires. So what happened? Whatever you want, it will fetch and show it very immediately. And that too, when you fix up this S4 HANA, the speed of S4 HANA, then you know how the query will give response to any query written by the end user. Simple. To make SAP simple, match user demand, SAP had designed 113 scenarios. This means one user, one case, 3 screens. One user, one case, 3 screens. Like that, you can have multiple scenarios. Seamless experience. SAP has provided all Fury apps based on the same language and it does not matter deployment and platforms. Yeah, you can use in any language, no issues. You can put on any platform. So you can start working. Delightful. SAP Fiori was designed to work with ECC to make it easy for users and deploy on existing systems. If user is accessing user is working in SAP ECC 6 system, ECC 6 system I'm telling, then also user can very easily put his Fury on that box also very easily without any stretch. Okay, he has to add some add-ons or components. He has to have put some upgrade activities, a base consultant, then you can usually put your make your easy system work as a Fury system also. And to see the Fury applications, Fury apps are divided into three categories. They distributed based on their functions and infrastructure requirement. The first three is transactions, examples, yeah, fact sheets. It has got it has got three applications: fact sheets, analytical apps, and any query till now, Ivan? Any query do you have till now? What we have done?
Uh, no, Rajendra.
Good, very good. We have got one good PPT also. I'm going to show you the PPTs also. We have some, this all we can understand more frequently while doing practicals. We have three things here. We have transactional applications, okay? We have fact sheets, we have transactional applications, and we have analytical applications. These all are role based in real time scenarios. Have you heard of web dispatcher? Web dispatcher?
Uh, Not much actually.
No problem. What would be dispatcher does? It is a mediator between your application and your internet. Okay, whatever things you access from web, the Chrome and all, the web dispatcher play a vital role to take your request and show it to you with on HTTP, मतलब secure layer. This was the first point to connect SAP Fiori architecture, and it handles all web browser requests from end user via mobile device and laptops. Either you can go with laptops or mobile. It handles all web requests from end users like you and me. I try to start Fury from a mobile. So my request will go to web dispatcher, and web dispatcher take you to my server. Okay. Its entry point is HTTPS. Request define a system, accept or reject request. Yeah. Server where request should go. I can reject, accept connection to Fury systems. You will get a OTP. If you want to go into site, accept it. Don't want, reject. It will go out. Here we have good SSO option also, single sign-on option also. I have recently implemented single sign-on also on Fury, and it was successfully implemented in entire infrastructure team. Okay, SAP ABAP front-end server. If it is an old server, like we said, not SAP HANA server, old server. So we have SAP front-end server, we have SAP gateway server previously, but now everything is seamless. SAP ABAP front-end contains UI components of Fury systems of network gateway. This UI component consists of central UI, UI5. These all are required for that old EC systems. Okay, and you require a gateway system also. It set up connection between SAP Business Systems target client platforms. It creates a OData service request to deploy tools. For example, if you work on NetWeaver 7.4 front-end server, okay, add-ons, gateway components as a part of an installation only. In this, you can see all add-ons come as a part of installations only. All your add-ons, gateway components, NetWeaver 4 if you take, you will get all gateway components as a part of UI installation, system installation. But if you install 7.31, then front end have to install separately. Front end server and gateway components have to install separately. This is the old system. This is the new system. That is the key difference. This is your experience of Fury, how Fury looks. Now what we will do? We'll jump on to the we'll jump on to the what PPT. I have got PPT. If you have any doubts, ask me in this. Otherwise, we'll jump on to PPT and track how PPT will help you. Can you able to see the PPT?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, SAP Fiori is a modern user-friendly design set of applications provide consistent user experience across various solutions. Okay, developed by SAP. Fury aims to the same thing which I've discussed till now, but it is in smart PPT. We put everything on PPT because once you start live sessions, you will get all things to you. Word documents also, PPTs also, and server access also. Okay. SAP Fury includes app types, implementation, planning, deployment options. Everything is considered in this only. Now you see, I discussed few minutes back different types of Fury applications: transactional applications, analytical applications, and fact sheets. When you design a tile, when you design a catalog, you need to check where is what transactional, or analytical, or fact sheets. Transaction applications are the most common types of Fury are designed to streamline optimize execution routine business tasks such as approving purchase orders, managing leaves, or creating sales orders. These apps provide a simplified, quickly and in this transactional applications means where user can able to work with purchase orders, leave requests. Okay, and analytical applications. Analytical means Analytical means calculation part. Analytical are focused on data visualization insights, empowering the user analyze the make information decisions. These apps leave a powerful analytical capabilities presenting the easy to understand formats, charts, graphs. Analytical, analytical means calculations, data analytics. But you have a raw data, you can design it into the form where you can see a flow charts, pie diagrams, flow diagrams, graph diagrams to see your business data like sales, profit, more profits, more users, depending upon a scenario, more manufacturing, less manufacturing, out of stock, like depending upon chart will prepare on available data. Fact sheets provides a comprehensive user key information related to specific business entities such as customer, product, project. This has considered relevant data from multiple sources. Fact sheets means it will show you some bullet points. It will show you some bullet points of our existing data. How you are going to implement this Fury? First of all, you have to discover, you have to design, you have to development. These are the three key features of SAP Fury. The first time implemented Fury content through discover phase where organize, first you have to know what all things you require in Fury. The management gives, sir, I require this, I require purchase order, sales data, PO approvals, salaries, slips, and everything in Fury. Depending upon that, designability in design ki, this application require, this fact sheet is required, this catalog is required, this style is required, these rules are required. Then, then development team will start developing things depending upon the core requirement of the company. Any doubt till here, Ivan?
No, no. Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Deployment options. See, I discussed this already. We can deploy on premise, on cloud, on hybrid. In on-premise deployment, SAP Fiori application infrastructure hosted on managed with the organization. Like you are building a 5 floors, you put server on fourth floor. But it is stored in on-premise. Okay. Organize own data centers, providing greater control customer capabilities. Cloud deployment. Though no need to purchase hardware. You just book our servers on AWS, Azure, GCP. They will provide you and scale your hardware as well requirement and your data with GCP cloud people only. Cloud-based deployment, scalability, flexibility of cloud computing, allowing organization to quickly provisioning and manage Fury app without the need for extensive on-premise infrastructure. Here, no need to maintain anything. Here, everything is put it on cloud. Hybrid deployment. What is hybrid deployment? Hybrid deployment is model combines on-premise and cloud. You put few servers on cloud, few servers on your premise, depending upon the integrity, depending upon the importance of data, you can put some servers on like production. RBI never keep the production server on cloud anyway. They will put development quality on there, but they keep the production server live finance server at their premise only because of what the authentication issue or privacy issue, SSO issues because of government policies like army, major army sectors, any uh, big finance structures, big finance company never keep their data to some other cloud vendor. Otherwise, they will dispose if anything goes wrong. They will gone in one day. System landscape. How system landscape work in scenario. Fury Launchpad. See, SAP Fiori Launchpad serve as central access point to all Fury apps. Any Fury, like MM application, SD application, HR application, all applications you can access with a single point. With a user experience access, yeah. Backend system. Fury applications are tightly integrated with the underlying backend systems such as S4HANA ERP, success factor. Okay. It will tightly integrated in ECE systems also, S4HANA systems also, and success factors also to fetch data whatever required. Now you see, this is the this is the first page of activation. When we start our live system, then we'll see how to act Fury application. It takes time. It has got many features like you have to activate RFCs, you have to activate some UI5 skip functions, you have to activate some UI5 activations like, and you have to run some tools to activate all those things. It requires minimum 2 sessions to get it first Fury application on board. Okay. Embedded analysis, data integration, visualization, and check available SAP analytics stories. Embedded analytical SAP simulation integrated various data sources, including SAP non-SAP systems. Yeah, you can integrate your non-SAP system data to SAP system also. Integration, you can fetch other system data in here also, by which whether the whole system take more time to fetch data, but this new system will not take much time to fetch your data. Okay. Now you see I've discussed this is tightly integrated and this work with uh, SIver.
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, it has got HTTPS communication channel. Fury leverage HTTP hypertext protocols communication channel between Fury app and underlying systems. Sensitive data ensuring compliance with, yeah. Whenever you start working with Fury, it is totally on HTTP because you access everything on web browser. Okay, the web browser has to attach with the web dispatcher, then it will send data securely because it has got finance data, your company's employees data, your PO data, your data is more sensitive and it will go through HTTP layers only. Certificate management, proper management SSL certificates crucially maintain integrity, confident HTTP communication channel, which is the key aspect of Fury implement. Your data will not go anywhere because it has got SSL and TLS. Sec- Secure layers are there to secure data. Secure, you have to implement all certificates. Then only you can able to launch your Fury applications. Single sign-on. See, here central authentications, identity providers, and security. Here, say Fury single sign-on functionality which allows user once only once you have to log in and you can able to access many systems with a single sign-on. And we have can use SAML2 the T code called SAML2 by which you can put a SSO between Microsoft Azure. If you have Microsoft Azure ADS, Active Directory Services, then you can put all these things and activate your Fury, activate your SSO by implementing on your email IDs. Okay. Yeah, application servers, database servers, network security. All this we're going to see one by one and we jump on to the live sessions.